How to know if someone blocked you on X. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on X. So to get started, go ahead and open X into your device and then sign into your account. So click on the search button, which you'll find beside the home button, and that will take you into the search section. So once you're in here, go ahead and use the search function, which you'll find at the top of your screen, and then search for that specific individual's username. So if someone blocked you on X, you'll still find their account, but as you can see, if you click on their account, you'll be able to view their account, but you cannot follow them or view their posts. So if that individual's account is on public, you cannot view that individual's post. You cannot also follow them. You can only view their profile. So as you can see, this individual's account is actually on private, and I cannot find a follow button since this individual blocked me on X. And that is how you can basically know if someone blocked you on X.